Welcome back to Money Mind Book Club, where we explore ideas that transform how we think about wealth, success, and life. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful yet often overlooked forces in personal finance, the power of compounding. It's been called the eighth wonder of the world by none other than Albert Einstein himself. And once you understand how it works, you'll see why. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. Albert Einstein. At its core, compounding is beautifully simple. Your returns start to earn their own returns, and over time your wealth grows exponentially rather than just linearly. It's not just about how much money you save or invest, it's about time. Time is your greatest ally. Yet despite its simplicity, the true challenge lies in having the discipline and patience to let compounding do its work. To truly benefit from compounding, you must master something that's becoming increasingly rare in today's world: delayed gratification. We live in an age of instant rewards. One-click shopping, next-day delivery, scrolling and swiping for entertainment. So it feels counterintuitive to wait years or even decades to enjoy the benefits of your money. Many people struggle with this mindset. They spend now to feel good now, rather than invest for the future. This tendency is deeply human. Our brains evolved to prioritize immediate survival over future gains. But when it comes to money, this instinct can be incredibly costly. When I started earning, I fell into this trap too. As my income grew, so did my expenses. I told myself, I deserve this, and spent freely to reward my hard work. But then, reality hit me. I had no savings, no investments, and if an emergency happened, I had nothing to fall back on. That realization changed everything. I started learning about money, reading books, and attending conferences. Most importantly, I discovered the law and power of compounding. Instead of chasing short-term pleasures, I chose to invest in my future. At first it felt slow and even boring, but as time passed I started to see growth, and it made all the difference. Psychologists call this future orientation, the ability to prioritize long-term goals over short-term comfort. It's not easy because, honestly, human brains aren't really wired for it. But those who can adopt this mindset unlock the incredible potential of compounding. Imagine planting a tree. At first, growth is barely noticeable, but year after year, as the tree matures, it starts to grow faster. And soon, it bears fruit. That's exactly how compounding works. No one illustrates this better than Warren Buffett. Buffett started investing at the age of 11 and never stopped. His wealth grew slowly at first, but over the decades, compounding accelerated his gains. By the time he turned 60, Buffett had about $1 billion. But today, well into his 90s, his net worth exceeds $100 billion. And most of that was earned after he turned 60. It wasn't magic, it wasn't just skill. It was the power of compounding over a very long time. So, how can you make compounding work for you? Here are 3 simple but powerful steps. Alright, let's talk about starting early. Time honestly matters way more than money when it comes to investing. Even small amounts, if you invest them early, can seriously grow into something significant over several decades. For example, if you put in $5,000 per year starting at age 25, and you get an average return of 7%, by the time you're 65, you'd have over $1 million. But if you wait until you're 35 to start, you'd end up with less than half that amount, even if you invest the same amount every single year. Next up, reinvest your gains. Don't take your earnings out just to spend them. Reinvest those gains so your money keeps working for you. This is actually why dividend reinvestment plans and compound interest savings accounts are so powerful. They let your wealth keep growing on top of itself year after year. Now let's be real. Compounding is slow at first. It might take years before you see any meaningful growth, but once it picks up momentum, the results can be pretty astonishing. Try to resist the urge to chase those quick profits or pull your money out too soon. Patience is what turns modest savings into real wealth. Compounding teaches us something super important. Small, consistent actions taken today can lead to extraordinary results down the road. It's not really about luck or trying to time the market. It's about discipline, patience, and of course time. So just ask yourself today, are you spending for instant gratification, or are you investing for your future self? Remember, it's never too late to start, but the sooner you do, the more powerful compounding becomes. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, share this video, and join us next time at Money Mind Book Club, where we keep exploring ideas that can change your financial future. Thanks for watching, and hey, keep investing in yourself.